manager, sir. No, you get Valentine's Day, you get last night, you get this morning. No, I need the rest. No, I need the rest.
My girl, I'm here, man. Come on, yo. I'm here, man. You have the good with it.
Shall I sword? You know the recipes?
Yeah, there is one, man. Yo. Watch out, you lady. Man. Yo. You may have to do that walk around, babe. Yo, come here, man.
No, sir. Stop, no, man.
Rest, man.
Oh, shall I let me go? Let me go, shall Jesus. Papa.
How you feel?
It's a head, shall I soon stop.
Sorry about that, man, babes. So, babe, how does something look like it'll get worse, so? Come sit down, best of you. Man, babe, take your time, take your time.
Don't worry about it.
Come, take your time, man. Sorry about that, man. Lean back now, you can't lean back. Alright. Want me get some ice or something? By the way, how are the medical ice?
You know, the medicine chest, the way I go around the sofa.
You know, it's a big man thing. You need to see your next doctor, you know.
Sheldon, the doctor is not the issue.
So it seems like if anyone look after you, you're not getting no better.
Because I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do.
One thing though, you know, you're quick for defending me now.
No bother with that, Sheldon. Him give me a set of exercises, I'm going to do them because I'm busy. So when I get around to them. It's not nothing to do with the doctor himself.
I understand what you say still not pretty. But remember, a second opinion is always good be.
Sheldon, I don't need a second opinion at all. Firstly, I don't even like the idea of having two persons give medical advice or treatment.
Pretty. Let's say you get used to the money, I don't want to change it.
You know, see it's difficult sometimes. Fix the pillar behind me, but Mama lean back.
What you do?
You know, someone could have crippled and him save me? And him been tell me say I need to do a surgery.
What kind of surgery, Prinny? Are you spying that, you know? You can't run a joke with that, babe.
I tell him that. And him said nothing not happen.
Him can't tell you that. You're going like him a god. You know, people do them surgery and end up crippled.
I know, Sheldon, but it'll get worse. I'm not even find time to do exercise them either.
I understand that, but Prinny, you have to make time for the exercise. You see me? Because I bet you do that than the surgery something.
But I don't have the time or the discipline to deal with that, Sheldon. You know me.
So what you say, Prinny? You consider for the surgery then?
Kinda.
So, how much will do that?
250k plus private recovery fees and therapy.
Big man thing, you know, say, more while I just milk them doctor here, milk out people money for them and them friend. All them specialists say to, yo, all of them are planting.
No, Sheldon, not him.
The way you think, you know, money and them money language here. No matter how nice you see them go on.
Money is not the issue. It's me no want them go in on my back.
Say me money and the issue. Then what the issue then? That mean you have to put on? Or your manager have it?
No, but...
But what?